Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, I have an exciting product to share with you.
We'll be discussing the best smart key case for Nissan available in the market. The simple key fob, and key programmer is the perfect solution for your Nissan. It comes with interchangeable 3 and 4 button keypads, making it versatile and convenient. This key replacement kit includes a simple key programmer and a key fob with essential buttons like lock, unlock, and panic buttons. There's also an optional remote start button. Compatible with various Nissan models, including the Nissan Rogue, Altima, Maxima, and more. It's designed to fit different years and models. Easy DIY installation. You can connect the key fob programmer to your vehicle and install it in less than 10 minutes without the need for professional help.
Economical and user-friendly. Save time and money by programming your key fobs.
You can program up to 8 key fobs for a single vehicle. High quality and reliable. The key fob is designed to work just like the original, ensuring seamless operation. The simple key fob, and key programmer is a game-changer for Nissan owners looking for a cost-effective and efficient key replacement solution. Say goodbye to expensive dealership appointments and locksmith fees with this handy tool.
It's a must-have for any Nissan owner.
That's all for today's video on the best smart key case for Nissan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. Thank you for watching.